Good morning, dear students. Now I want to discuss chemistry part from NEET 2024 question paper. First question, just observe matching. We have to determine number of Faradays. So first one mole water, 2 oxygen. Here, this is the required reaction. 4 mole OH minus giving rise to 2 moles water, 1 mole oxygen plus 4 electrons. Here observe, for 1 mole water, how many Faradays required? Here just observe, for 2 mole 4 electrons. 2 mole water 4 electrons. But here asking particularly 1 mole water. So 1 mole water, how many? 2 electrons. 2 electrons means 2 Faradays. So it is matched with second one. Now permanganate converted into Mn2 plus, MnO4 minus turn into Mn2 plus. Change in oxidation number you can calculate. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 electrons means 5 Faradays. So which is correct? 5 Faradays. 4 is matched. And calcium chloride to calcium means you can take calcium 2 plus 2 electrons giving rise to calcium. How many electrons consumed? 2 electrons for 1 mole calcium. So 1 mole calcium 2 Faradays. But 1.5 mole calcium given na, how much? So answer 3 Faradays. So then it is matched with 1. Now FeO converted into Fe2O3. FeO converted into Fe2O3. 1 iron involved, that's why you have to take other side also 1 iron. Of Fe2 means 1 iron. Oxidation state plus 2 iron, here plus 3. Then atom into oxidation state, 1 iron into 3, higher minus lower, 1 iron into 2, that is 1. So 1 mole 1 electron means 1 Faraday. So which is matched? It is matched with 3. Then which option is right answer here? Option 3 is right answer. So A matched with 2, B matched with 4, C matched with 1, D matched with 3. So option 3 is right answer. Understood? Now moving to next question. Here just observe here, change in oxidation states once you can find out. So now which reaction is not a redox reaction? If there is no change in oxidation states of elements, then that is not a redox reaction. Barium here plus 2, here also plus 2. Here sulfate minus 2, minus 2. Chloride minus 1, minus 1. Sodium plus 1, plus 1. So from reactants to products, there is no change in oxidation states of elements. That's why it is not a redox reaction, not a redox reaction. So option 2 is the right answer. Now 53rd question. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. Intramolecular means within the same molecule. Hydrogen bonding take place within the same molecule. So which option is right answer here? Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. You know, orthonitrophenol hydrogen bonding. This is partially negative, partially positive, partially positive, partially negative. So you know, this is the hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Clear? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So which option is right answer? Option 3 is right answer. Remaining all molecules participate in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Understood? So now coming to 54 question. Paling solution A is. Paling solution A is. Now Paling A, that is copper sulfate solution. copper sulfate solution. Pahiling B, Pahiling B, that is potassium, potassium tartrate. Sodium potassium tartrate solution. This is also called Roselli salt solution. When you mix equally these both, then we will get Pahiling solution. Presence of Pahiling solution, aliphatic aldehydes convert into carboxylate anions. Aromatic aldehydes, no reaction. So now here Pahiling A asking, Pahiling A, what is the answer here? Aqueous copper sulfate solution. Option 3 is the right answer. Understood? Option 3 is the right answer. Now coming to 55. 1 gram sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. The mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to. So here you have to calculate limiting reagent. You have to calculate here limiting reagent. Understood? So now here just observe sodium hydroxide moles. Sodium hydroxide moles. Here sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to S. So its weight by gram molecular weight 1 by 40. So 1 by 40. What is the value? So 1 by 40, 0.025 mole. Next one, HCl moles. You know, molarity into volume in liters. Molarity 0.75 molarity. Volume should be in liter. So 25 by 1000. That is liter 0.025 liter. Then 0.025 into 0.75. What is the value? 0.01875 mole. Now you can write balanced equation. NaOH plus HCl giving rise to NaCl plus water. Limiting reactant formula. Moles 0.025 by stoichiometric coefficient 1. Calculated moles 0.01875 by stoichiometric coefficient 1. Then, so given moles by, given our calculated moles by stoichiometric coefficient. So 0.025, 0.01875. So which is low value? This is. So this is limiting reactant. Understood everyone? This is limiting reactant. Now here how much amount left? How much amount left? How much amount left? How to calculate? So this is limiting reactant. 1 mole sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole HCl. 1 mole sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole HCl. So 1 mole sodium hydroxide means 40 grams sodium hydroxide react with 36.5 grams HCl. Understood? Now here what is the limiting reagent? HCl is limiting reagent. HCl is limiting reagent. HCl here for given moles here HCl 0.01875. So 0.01875 into HCl gram molecular weight. So weight of HCl equal to 0.01875 into its gram molecular weight 36.5 into 36.5. What is the weight? 0.684 grams. Understood? 0.684 grams. Now you have to calculate like 0.684 grams. How much reacted? Now, so sodium hydroxide reacted, that is equal to 40 into this value. Okay, 40 into 0.684 divided by 36.5, value 0.75 grams, but unreacted weight of excess here sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is excess. So sodium hydroxide excess is equal to 1 gram given minus how much reacted, 0.75 grams only consumed in the reaction. Then 0.25 grams, this is unaffected excess. 0.25 grams means 250 milligrams, that is unaffected. 250 milligrams is unaffected. So which is right option? Option 4 is right answer. Clear everyone? So this is somewhat lengthy question, but easy only, but lengthy question. Easy only, lengthy question. Understood? So limiting reagent we have to calculate. Limiting reagent is HCl. So HCl moles and HCl, from HCl moles we have to calculate weight. How much weight? This one. For this, how much NaOH reacted? This one. How much given? 1 gram. Only how much consumed? 0.75 grams only consumed. Then how much unaffected means how much not reacted in the reaction? 250 milligrams. So this is somewhat lengthy question among the all questions, but remaining all are easy. Now coming to 56 question. Now this is very easy question. Shape or geometry. Shape or geometry. Ammonia. Very well. Pyramidal. Ammonia is pyramidal. And BRF5. BRF5. So 1 minute. Ammonia. Which one? Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal. Okay. And BRF5. BRF5 square pyramidal. And XF4 square planar. And SF6 octahedral. Then which one is the right answer? Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Understood? So ammonia, trigonal pyramidal, BRF5 square pyramidal, and XF4 square planar, SF6 octahedral. Okay, clear? Ammonia, trigonal pyramidal, BRF5, okay, BRF5, okay, square pyramidal, and XF4 square planar, XF4 square planar, and SF6 octahedral. Okay, octahedral. Clear? So very important question and easy question this one. So below 1 minute we can answer this question. Now coming to 57. E0 values for Mn3 plus to Mn2 plus couple is more positive than Cr3 plus to Cr2 plus Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus due to the change of. So here which is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. Which is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. What is the reason? D4 to D5 configuration. D4 to D5 configuration. Understood? So this is the reason the value of E0 value of Mn3 plus oblique Mn2 plus couple is more positive than remaining. Understood or not? So Mn3 plus, that is D4 configuration, it goes to Mn2 plus means more stable configuration D5, that is off filled, completely filled, more stable. Off filled, completely filled, more stable. Understood? So this is very important one. How to work out this one? So just observe this one. Here, electronic configuration. Okay, electronic configuration of the solution, you can verify once. Listen. Yeah, here Mn 3 plus. So Mn 3 plus, that is 3D4 configuration. Mn 2 plus, that is 3D5 configuration. 3D5, you know, that is more stable. 3D5, that is more stable. Understood? So this is the reason this couple has more positive value as compared to remaining two. So option 1 is right answer. Now coming to here, isothermal process. Coming to 58 question, isothermal process, isochoric, isobaric, adiabatic process. So now which is the right answer here? Just observe here. So just observe here. Isothermal process, temperature is constant. Clear? And isochoric, volume constant. Isobaric, pressure. Adiabatic means no heat transfer. Then which option is the right answer? Here, once matching. Isothermal, temperature, yeah. So isothermal process, temperature constant. Isochoric process, volume constant. Isobaric process, pressure constant. Adiabatic, no heat change. So which one is the right answer? Option 2 is the right answer. Very easy question. Now coming to 59 question. The activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated if one knows the value. You know, which one is the right answer? Option 2 is the right answer. So rate constant at two different temperatures, if we know, then we can calculate activation energy. So then what is the formula? Log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. If we know this equation, then we can calculate activation energy. Here EA can be calculated if value of rate constant K is known at two different temperatures T1, T2, then we can calculate activation energy. Clear everyone? Now coming to question number 60. A compound with a molecular formula C6H14 has two tertiary carbons. The IUPAC name is. So here, which option is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Here has two tertiary carbon atoms. Two tertiary carbon atoms. So now 2,3 dimethyl butane you can take. 2,3 dimethyl butane. Okay, this is the 2,3 dimethyl butane. You know, this is a tertiary carbon connected with three carbon atoms. This is also tertiary carbon atom. Then two tertiary carbon atoms. So option 1 is right answer. Understood? Now 2,2 dimethyl butane. Okay, 2,2 dimethyl butane. Here no two tertiary carbon atoms. This is quaternary carbon. Here no tertiary carbon atoms. So this is wrong. Even anhexen also like not existed. 2-methyl pentane also not existed. Here option 1 is right answer. It has two tertiary carbon atoms. Now coming to 61 question. Spin-only magnetic moment is same for which of the following ions? So here no need to calculate spin-only magnetic moment value root over n into n plus 2 boromagneton. Here just you can count the unpaired electrons, that is enough. Here which option is right answer? Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer because here B and D they are having same number of unpaired electrons. Same number of unpaired electrons. Now just observe this one. Just observe this one. Number of unpaired electrons here. B and D having same number of unpaired electrons. Chromium 2 plus number of unpaired electrons 4 and iron 2 plus number of unpaired electrons 4. Both having same number of unpaired electrons 4 4. So B and D is the right answer. Now moving to next question. Arrange the following elements in increasing order of electronegativity. Increasing order of electronegativity. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, carbon, silicon. Here among the all elements, which atom having more electronegativity? We know very well fluorine. Fluorine in the periodic table most electronegative element is fluorine. We know very well. Silicon wrong. Silicon wrong. Two options we can eliminate immediately. After fluorine, you know after fluorine more electronegative element oxygen, next nitrogen. So here no doubt at all. Option 3 is right answer because in the periodic table most electronegative elements. So these two most electronegative elements fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. So from these three we can fix. So rest of the elements carbon, silicon down the group electronegativity decreases. So that's why carbon more electronegative than silicon. No doubt option 3 is right answer. Easy question only. Now coming to next question, which one of the following alcohols reacts instantaneously with Lucas reagent? You know, tertiary alcohols immediately give turbidity with Lucas reagent. You know, tertiary alcohols immediately give turbidity. Immediately give turbidity means foam-like reaction. Secondary alcohol within 5 minutes they will give reaction with Lucas reagent. Primary alcohol slowly give reaction. Okay, slowly give reaction. Now which one is the right answer here? Which alcohol is the tertiary alcohol? That is the right answer. So here which is the tertiary alcohol? Option 2 is the right answer. 2 is right answer because that is tertiary alcohol immediately give turbidity because tertiary alcohol can form most stable carbocation, tertiary carbocation. moving to next question. 64. CO NH3 6 times 3 plus CO F6 3 minus complexes octahedral but differ in their magnetic behavior. You know, that is right, because ammonia strong field ligand, fluorine weak field ligand. Now coming to CO NH3 6 times 3 plus is diamagnetic, whereas CO F6 3 minus is paramagnetic. Yes, that is also right. So both statements are correct here. Which is right answer? Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Both statements are right. Here you can take CO NH3 6 times 3 plus cobalt X 6 into ammonia 0 neutral ligand, that is equal to minus 3. So here cobalt, cobalt plus 3 now. Yes, plus 3. Then X equal to plus 3. And cobalt atomic number 27. So 2 plus 7, 9 electrons. 9 minus 3, 6. 3d6 system it is. So cobalt plus 3 state, 3d6 system. 3d6, you can write 4s, you can write 4p. Now here ammonia strong field ligand, then electrons will be paired opposite to Hund's rule. That's why 6 electrons paired like, because ammonia strong field ligand, electrons, so electrons will be paired opposite to Hund's rule. So D2sp 3 hybridization octahedral na D2sp3. So anyhow here number of unpaired electrons 0. Diamagnetic. Now coming to CO F6 minus, cobalt X 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3, X minus 6 equal to minus 3, X equal to plus 3. Again here cobalt plus 3 state. So again 3d6 system, 3d6 4s2, sorry, 3d6 4s0, 4p0. Now it is weak field ligand. It is weak field ligand. Electrons will not be paired. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons will not be paired. Then outer orbitals are participated. Here which orbitals are participated? Outer orbitals are participated. 4s 4p, 4d also you can take. Which orbitals participated? Outer orbitals. Why? Inner orbitals are not vacant. That's why it undergo which hybridization? sp3 d2 hybridization. Outer orbital complex sp3 d2. How many unpaired electrons are there? N equal to 4. So unpaired electrons are there now. So it is paramagnetic in nature. Clear? Paramagnetic in nature. Understood everyone? Paramagnetic in nature. Clear everyone? Yeah. So that's why magnetic natures are different, but both are octahedral complexes. Reason here, first complex diamagnetic, second complex paramagnetic, because first complex no unpaired electrons, second complex unpaired electrons are there. Understood everyone? Yes. Now, so that's why option 3 is right answer. Now moving to next question. Now moving to next question. Boiling points order, right only. Water, next H2TE, H2SE, HTS. Reason, here water molecular molecular gram molecular weight 18 grams only, but it is having higher boiling point among the group 16 elements. Reason, hydrogen bonding. So that's why here reason also correct. On the basis of molecular mass, H2 expected to have lower boiling point than others, but due to presence of extensive hydrogen bonding, it has higher boiling point. Yes, right. That's why here both statements are correct. Option 3 is right answer. So both statements are true. both statements are true. Very simple and clear question. Now coming to 66. Here ML, MS, LN, we know very well. We know very well this question, simple question. And ML, that is, magnetic quantum number, orientation of orbital, and spin quantum number, orientation of spin of electron, and L, azimuthal quantum number, shapes, and N, principal quantum number, size. Then which option is right answer? Option 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. Easy question. Now coming to next question, matching. Next question. You know, here two cyclohexane rings are there with a double bond. Then when it undergo ozonolysis reaction, break double bond, add two oxygen atoms. Ozonolysis reaction, you are getting cyclohexanone. So now which one it is matching with this reagent? Ozonolysis followed by reduction. Next one, benzophenone from benzene means that is Freeland-Crofts acylation reaction. This is right. Freeland-Crofts acylation reaction. And next one, secondary alkyl converted into cyclohexanone means yes, oxidizing agent CrO3 is the correct. Next one, entire alkyl group converted into carboxylate anion, that is alkaline KMnO4 followed by heating. This one is right. Then which option is right? Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Okay, 1 is matched with 4, ozonolysis. Second one, Freeland-Crofts acylation. And third one, just oxidation. And the fourth one, alkaline KMnO4 followed by heating. Easy question only. Simple conversions. Now coming to 68 question. 68 question, which option is right answer? Option 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right answer. So first one, hydroboration oxidation reaction. Option 4 is right answer. Hydroboration oxidation reaction. So hydroboration oxidation reaction, this is anti-Markovnikov's rule without rearrangement. Just terminal alcohol formed, CH2, here hydrogen, here OH, terminal alcohol is formed, anti-Markovnikov's rule. And next one, PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. This primary alcohol oxidized to aldehyde, stop with aldehyde controlled oxidizing reagent it is. Now CH2, CHO, this is the right answer. So option 4 is right answer. Which is the right answer? Option 4 is right answer. Very simple conversion. Now moving to next question, 69 question. The reagents with which glucose does not react to give the corresponding tests or products are here. Which is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer. Option 1 is the right answer. That means B and E, glucose. Okay, glucose, even though it is having aldehyde group, but it does not react with Skip's test and sodium hydrogen sulfide. With these two reagents, it cannot react with. So very important. So it is negative test with Skip's reagent and sodium hydrogen sulfide. So very important one. It is remaining all it can give test, Tolin's test, and hydrogen cyanide, hydroxylamine it can give test. So that's why here option 1 is the right answer. Now moving to next question. Molecule and number of types of bonds between carbon atoms. Ethane. So ethane, C2H6, ethane, C2H6. Now, how many sigma how many sigma bonds? Purely here sigma bonds are there purely. Here number of types of bonds between two carbon atoms. Only carbon carbon. Carbon carbon sigma bond. Okay, only one sigma bond. Next one, ethene. Ethene, you know, one sigma, one pi in between two carbon atoms. Next one, C2 molecule. No, C2 molecule bond order 2. Here both bonds are pi bonds. Both bonds are pi bonds. Means how many bonds are there? Two pi bonds. Both bonds are pi bonds. And ethane means acetylene. Here one sigma, two pi bonds. Then which option is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. So now here A is matched with 3, 1 sigma bond. Ethene matched with this one means 1 sigma 1 pi bond. Next one, C2 molecule according to MO theory, its bond order is 2. Both are pi bonds. Very important one it is. I explained it in class also number of times this point. So clear? 2 pi bonds. 2 pi bonds. And next one, ethane, 1 sigma 2 pi bonds. So now option 1 is right answer. Okay, rest of the questions I will explain in the next video. Please follow and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Remaining questions I will explain in the next video. You can follow next video. Thank you.